In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now open your Facebook account. What I use here is Facebook, not Facebook Lite. Now click on your profile. Here, slide down. Now click on show more. Here, click on page. Now click on create. Now click on get started. Enter your page name. Now click on next. Here, describe the category you want the page to be. Now click on create. Here, enter the detail about the page. Click on next. Add your profile and your core photo profile. Click on next. Now invite your friends by clicking on invite friends or click on next to continue. Now click on done. That's how. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notification of my AI tools and tech related guides. So thanks for watching. See you on the next video.